In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an add to calendar link in Outlook email. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can share an event straight from your Outlook calendar and let people add it to their schedule with a single click. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, look for the All Microsoft menu. This is where Microsoft lists all of its services. Click All Microsoft, then select Outlook to open the Outlook web experience. Next, click Sign in and log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, switch to Calendar. You'll see your events laid out by day, week, or month. Find and click the event you want to share. This can be a meeting, a webinar, or any calendar entry you've already created. Opening the event brings up its details. Inside the event, look for a small downward arrow that expands more options. Click that, then choose Copy Join Link. This copies the event's join link to your clipboard. Think of it as the handy URL your recipients will use to quickly access the event and add it to their own calendar from the invitation. If it's a meeting, the link will let them join, and most calendar apps can capture that information right away. Now head back to your mail in Outlook, click New Email to start a fresh message. Add the recipients in the To field, whether that's a few coworkers or a larger list. Give your email a clear subject line so people immediately recognize what the event is about. In the body of the message, paste the link you just copied. You can add a short note around it for context, like the event name, date, and time, so recipients understand exactly what they're clicking. Keeping the description clear helps recipients feel confident and ensures they know this is the link to add the event to their calendar or to join when it starts. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipients will receive the email with the link ready to go. They can click it to open the event details on their end and add it to their calendar in just a couple of seconds. That's all there is to it. You've created and shared an add to calendar link in Outlook email, making it easy for everyone to save the event without any back and forth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.